Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Temu weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Temu app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.